Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today we have this straight lace wig from Megalook Hair, and this lace is transparent and flawless, all of that. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you keep on watching. Hey beauties, this is the bomb wig I have on right now. I straightened it a little bit off camera. I wanted to get down low so you guys can see the hair. Usually when I'm up close, you can just see the frontal. So these are how the ends are looking and everything. This is the back. I know I need to press the back a little bit. So once the wig is pressed a little bit, it actually makes it easier for me to straighten it the second time around, because sometimes I straighten my hair and I don't think it's straight enough. And I'm like, I should have went back in and pressed the hair. So we're gonna do this twice. So sis, girl, I have been practicing. If you guys can't tell, it's not over bleached. It's a free part. I just need to fix my cap. Pull it forward, but not too much forward where you can see the little marks here. I kind of just finesse it because I hate to glue down my wig cap. I don't know if you guys ever wondered that, but I don't glue that down. Once it's glued here, your wig kind of like goes backwards after a few days, and you know, sleeping and everything, and then it's like pulling on your hairline, and that's not good. So I'm gonna stop talking a little bit, and I'm just gonna cut off this lace. All right, so I still got a little bit of extra space around the ears, but I don't like to cut off too much because sometimes I do that. So I'm just gonna finesse this and cut it a little bit more once I glue the wig down. So of course, gots to be, and it gots to be the glue that I use. So. you got this final look. Your girl is slaying or whatever. I really love this lace. It's so transparent. You can't see any lace. Like sometimes when you look on camera, like you can't see anything, and in person you can see the lace. No, in person, no, you can't see anything. And this hair is so straight and silky, as you can see, and long. I just love this length and everything. Like this whole look is giving me life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will love this hair if you purchase it. No shedding, no tangling, nothing. It's just bomb. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and until my next video.